Welcome to day 1 of my 30-day guru challenge. For the next 30 days, I am testing everything the gurus say about growing a digital product business to see if it actually works. Today is where it all starts. Okay, so we are beginning today for the 30-day challenge. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your post notification on so you don't miss any upload during the challenge. As I'm going through the journey, I want you to watch it because you will learn some tips and tricks. So this is day 1. I have been watching these gurus online saying they know exactly how to grow a digital product business and make money with AI. Even myself talk about it. However, I wouldn't consider myself a guru. So I decided to do something that nobody told me was a good idea. I just wanted to test it for myself and I want to show y'all while I am documenting it. So I am basically gonna test everything that they say to do for 30 days straight. Okay, no days off. And I am going to be filming everything to see if it actually works. I'm going to be doing it live, y'all watching the progress and process as well. I've been doing it by myself in the back end, but now we're going to show you. So I'm going to be filming all of it to see if it actually works or if they have been lying to us this whole time. Here is the deal. I already sell digital products, which if you've been watching my video, you will know I already sell digital products and I already use AI in my business. So I am technically not starting from zero, but I am starting this challenge from zero. So we're gonna be tracking our analytics from today forward. Our followers, our engagement, just everything in the back end. We're gonna be tracking that from today forward. So basically everything before is going to be just erased. We're not gonna look at that. Because I want to show you exactly what happens when you follow the advice step by step with no skipping and no cheating. Every day is a new strategy. Every day I am showing you my real numbers. Starting from today. Today is day 1. By day 30, you are going to see exactly what the gurus got right and what was completely capped. So stay along and enjoy the ride. If you sell digital products or you want to start selling digital products using AI, subscribe right now, turn on your post notification because this challenge was made for you. And if you want to grab the exact digital product starter kit that I use to sell my own digital products, the link is in the description below and it's in the comment. Tomorrow, I am testing the very first guru strategy and I'm already a little nervous about it. Come back tomorrow because you are not going to want to miss what happens.